Hello, my name is Morgan Turner, and I am a student at the University of Arkansas in the Educational Technology program, as well as a third grade teacher at Stillwell Public Schools. And today we're going to talk about the ISTE standards and relevancy of these standards for teachers and then for students. So, ISTE standards for teachers. So, for the learner, you will, as a teacher, always be a learner. Of course, you're a teacher, but you're always a learner, hence why we always have professional development. You should continue to add your understanding of different pedagogy approaches made possible by technology. You should stay current with research. As a leader, you're going to be an advocate for educational technology, of course, and provide learning opportunities to meet the diverse needs of all students. And then you're going to adopt digital resources and tools for learning. So, as a citizen, you're going to create a learning culture that promotes curiosity and fosters digital literacy and media fluency. You're going to mentor students in safe and legal practices and protect student and data privacy. As the collaborator, you're going to collaborate with colleagues to create authentic learning experiences and co-learn with students to discover the use of new digital resources. And then you'll also expand students' authentic real-world learning experiences and demonstrate cultural competency when communicating with students. So as the designer, you're going to adapt and personalize learning experience that fosters independent learning. You'll also use digital tools and resources to maximize active, deep learning and apply instructional design to principles to create innovative digital learning environments. As the facilitator, you'll foster a culture where students take ownership. You'll manage the use of technology and student learning strategies and challenge students to use design process and computational thinking. And you'll also model and nurture creativity. For the analyst, you'll provide alternative ways for students to demonstrate competency and implement a variety of formative and summative assessments, and then use assessment data to guide and communicate with students. So, ISTE standards for students. The first one is empowered learner. So, as a student, you will set personal learning goals for yourself. You will build networks and customize your learning environments. You will use technology to seek feedback, and you will be able to explore emerging technologies. You'll also, as a student, be a digital citizen, and that means you're going to cultivate and manage your digital identity. You're going to engage in a positive, safe, and legal behavior when using technology, and you will manage your personal data to maintain digital privacy and security. So, as a student, you'll be a knowledge constructor. That means you will employ effective research strategies. You will evaluate the accuracy and perspective credibility of relevance of information. And you will also build knowledge by exploring real-world issues and problems. As a student, you'll be an innovative designer. That means you are going to know and deliberate design process. You will use digital tools to plan and manage. As a computational thinker, you will formulate problems and definitions suited for technology-assisted methods, such as data analysis. You will collect data or identify relevant data sets. You will break problems into component parts, and you will understand how automation works. So you'll also be a creative communicator. That means you're going to choose appropriate platforms and tools for meeting desired objectives. You're going to create original works or responsibly repurpose. You will publish or present content that customizes the message and medium for your intended audiences. And you'll also be, last but not least, a global collaborator, which means you're going to use digital tools to connect with learners from a variety of backgrounds and cultures. My apologies, it's storming outside. You will use collaborative technologies to work with others. You will contribute constructively to project teams and explore local and global issues.